out the living area over here. So this is the part of the living area where you can check out the interior work as well. So once you move in, you can check out the space. Vanakkam Chennai, myself Jetil and welcome to Housey. And today we'll be doing the sample flight tour of Godrej Azure Phase 3, which is located in Paddur OMR Chennai, and this project is developed by Godrej Properties. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. And right now I'm on the main entrance of Godrej Azure project, and this is the land parcel. So basically this is the phase 1 where the residencies are residing right now. And now the marketing office is right here just behind me. You can check out the marketing office. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So this project is spread across 8 acres of land parcel divided into phases. So this is the phase 1 consisting of commercial area and residential. This is a phase 2. So basically phase 1 and phase 2 are completely sold out. Now we have came up with phase 3 and phase 4. Consisting of 6 towers in all. Each towers of basement, stilt, plus 18 floors, having 2, 3 and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now about the amenities part, and this project provides you world-class amenities like of outdoor gym, yoga lounge, kids play area, swimming pool, clubhouse and many more amenities. Now coming to the location part, and the project is located just opposite to the Paddur Junction on OMR Road in Chennai. So let me show you that basically this is the OMR main road, and this road will connect you towards City IT Park, and the opposite side road will take you towards Mahabalipuram. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project, Hindustan University is 1.5 kilometers away and Sipcot IT Park is 2 kilometers from the location of the project. So this is your 2 BHK model flat of 1050 square feet super built up area. So before you enter, let me show you that they have provided the foyer area for your privacy. And once you enter, you can check out the living area over here. So this is the part of the living area where you can set your sofa set, and here's a TV unit space for you all, which has a connecting balcony as well. So here's the connecting balcony with anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and this balcony will be 3 side covered. Now let's move further towards your dining area. So right here is your dining area. So you can set your dining table over here. They have provided a window for ventilation purpose near your dining area, and with the easy access, here's your kitchen area. You can check out the interior work as well with the platform, the cabinets, and again here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and even it has a connected utility area with anti-skid flooring and a provision for machine. Now let's move further towards your bedroom. So your bedroom number 1 is right here. So once you move in, you can check out the space over here. Here's a huge bed space, and even there's an ample of space to move around the room. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose again, and the wardrobe space for your storage. The TV unit space is provided over here, and exactly once you move out from the room, in front of it is your common washroom with the easy access to your room. And here's the common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now moving towards your master bedroom, but before that let me inform you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features at housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free on housey.com. So now the wait is over, and this is the master bedroom. So once you move in, you can check out the space with a huge bed space, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose over here, and even they have added up a couch in front of the dressing area. So this space you can use as a dressing area or as a workspace as well. With the TV unit space over here, the wardrobe. And now about the attached washroom. Yes, your master bedroom has attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Even the sink is provided inside the washroom itself. And now, as you all know, we are here at Godrej Properties project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.